Let's make some pickled onions that you can put over anything or just eat them by themselves. First, I'm going to chop up 4 medium-sized onions. Now, I am making 3 large jars of this, so hopefully 4 is enough. I had to switch up my knife because that one was cutting like a butter knife. So as I get my onions cut, I'm going to place them into this bowl right here. And you can make these as thin or as thick as you like. You can even cut them into chunky pieces and then just put them right in our bowl. Now that all the onions are cut up, I went ahead and added some ice and some water to the onions, and I'm just going to let them soak for a little bit while I start on the brine. To my pot, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I've already added 2, and then I'm just going to add 2 more. I'm adding 4 cups and then 2 cups of vinegar. Now, if I was only making like 1 or 2 small jars, then I would use 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Then we're going to throw in some black peppercorn. Just put in as many as you like. I'm also going to add these to the individual jars as well. I'm going to throw in a couple of bay leaves. Mine are a little bit torn, so I'm going to do a few pieces. I got 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of salt. I'm also going to throw in 3 cloves of garlic. I just got to peel these real quick, and I'm going to slice them in half and then throw them into my pot. And then I'm going to put this on the stove, bring it to a simmer/light boil, and then we're going to pour it over our onions. While the pot is back there simmering, I'm going to go ahead and start loading up my onions into the jars. After I removed them from the cold water, I gave them another good rinse. For one of these, I'm going to do like a spicy jalapeno. And then for another, I'm going to do a dill. And then the other one, I'm just going to keep it like, I guess, plain. I kept the seeds in because I want this to be actually a little bit spicy. To this batch, I'm also going to add some cilantro. Also going to add some garlic to my other jars. Put the dill in that one. I don't know if y'all know, but I love black pepper. For the jalapeno jar, I am going to add in some red pepper flakes. Oh yeah, it's going to fit. Close up of the jars. Doesn't it look delicious? I'm going to pop the cap on these, and then I'm going to leave them out for a couple hours just until they can cool down. Once they're done, of course, I'll come back and show you guys what they look like when they're all pickled. I cannot wait. I meant to tell y'all, don't throw away your onion pieces, your jalapeno pieces. Don't throw any of that away. Let me show you what to do with it. I keep a little bag in my freezer for all of my veggie scraps. And once I have a big gallon-sized bag, I make some homemade vegetable stock, and it is so good. So don't throw away your veggie scraps. If you have a pickling recipe that you would love to share, please leave it down in the comment section, and I would love to give it a try.